and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join CapCut PC Pro. So if you're on the homepage and you've logged in, make sure you have logged in because you'll need a login for you to actually join Pro. Select the join Pro button here and select the plan you want to purchase. Or if you're already in a project, there's this bit right here on the right of your screen. Then you're just going to select join Pro and you're going to select the plan you want and just select purchase. Now this isn't available yet. They're still testing it out, I think, and that's why it's not available for everyone. So make sure you download the app on your phone because CapCut Pro will be on your phone, but it's not available yet for everybody on PC. So make sure you've logged into any account and then you can then join Pro. Because it did show up for me and my coworker at like different times, and like I can't tell you like exactly why I don't work for CapCut. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!